Hi, Fernanda. I just wanted to help you with this problem that you sent me through my math lab. I think the thing that's confusing you is maybe the way that the picture is drawn. Um, the base of this shape is a rectangle. It's down here, and the diagonal that they've drawn is going from the corner that's way in the back to the corner that's in the front. And so what we're trying to find is a triangle that has got one side here, this side here, which is 11, and then you're trying to find side D. So I think that the first step is to find that diagonal that's going across the base. I used the Pythagorean theorem to find that side there, which was 2 times the square root of 41. And then the triangle now that I'm trying to solve is like this. 11, 2 square root of 41. This angle here is 25 degrees. And then you're finding D. So the way to tackle this problem is we've got to find the angle that's across from D. So I did this in a series of steps. I used the law of sines 2 different times. So I used the law of sines to find this angle first, and then subtracting from 180, I was able to get this angle, and then use the law of sines again to get side D. So the answer that I got was, I think it was 21.2. It matched the answer that my math lab got. So try that. Hopefully that will help. Email me back if you need more help.